Hello, this is meteorologist Jimmy Tager with your Monday weekly briefing covering September 19th to September 25th. We are going to be under the influence of high pressure for a good amount of the week. So what that means is not any really rain across the region, and we are going to be warming up. So high pressure's here, and we're already starting to see that increase in temperatures compared to what we have seen over the past couple days. And that's going to continue to increase the heat across our area through the middle of the week. We do have a small chance for a shower or thunderstorm on Tuesday, mainly across the coastal plain. However, it's looking pretty dry across our area for the next handful of days. How hot is it going to get? It's going to get pretty warm for this time of year, and by Thursday it looks like highs are going to be 10 to 15 degrees above normal. We do have a cold front though coming through on Thursday. I've got some good news there. If you're hoping for rain though, it's not looking like we're going to get very much at all. It's looking mostly dry, and best areas along the Virginia border and along the northern coastal plain could have the best chance of seeing some rain for now. But the good news is temperatures in the 70s, highs in the 70s are coming on Friday to close out the work week. So some good news there. But first, the heat. So here on the left, we have highs today, and we're expecting it to be warmer than what it's been. We're going to see mid 80s to the north to near 90s across the south, and it's going to increase a little bit each day. And by the time we get to Thursday, we're looking at some really warm weather. Highs are going to be 10 to 15 degrees above seasonal normals. Those highest areas that are going to depart from normal are going to be closer to the South Carolina border, where we're expecting mid 90s. For the mid-September, not that fun, but luckily we do have that cooler weather on the way for the end of the week. And with that dry weather, as you can see here, accumulated precipitation through the next 5 days, really nothing going on, just a little bit of a chance on Tuesday across the coastal plain area, but really not a whole lot going on. Maybe a little bit on Thursday when that cold front moves through. Otherwise, we are expected to be dry most of the time. And without a whole lot of rain, we have really no chance of flash flooding, so that's good news there. And really no chance of severe weather as of now. Tuesday, we could have an isolated thunderstorm, but really not looking like anything that could be severe. And we'll keep an eye on things on Thursday to see if that develops there. But right now, it's not looking like we're going to see any severe weather this week. The tropics. Good news with Fiona. Should be heading away from us. So here's the latest 11 a.m. update from the National Hurricane Center on the left. And as you can see, over the next couple days and by this weekend, Fiona should be out of here and not impacting us on the East Coast directly. However, we could see some high surf or high surf and strong rip currents along the East Coast. So if you are heading to the beach this weekend or sometime this week, be on the lookout for that. And always, always, always swim near a lifeguard. Out here in the central Atlantic, we have a 20% chance of tropical cyclone development in the next 5 days. However, it's not that big. It's not looking like it's going to develop into anything, and it will continue as of now to move north-northeast. So that is good news. And here we are. We're still near the peak of hurricane season. So we're not out of the woods yet. We are on the downward trend, but we are not out of the woods yet. September is usually a very active month. So please don't let your guard down. Have your plan for any possible hurricane or tropical system heading our way. Here's your 8 to 14 day outlook from the Climate Prediction Center. This covers September 26th to October 2nd. So basically the end of the month into the early October. And for North Carolina, luckily we're not in these dark reds here where it's going to be well above normal. We are slightly above normal, close to near normal expected for temperatures. And then as far as precipitation goes, not looking like we're getting much of that green. The green is all over in the southwest, and we are favored closer to below normal for precipitation. So in summary, we've got high pressure this week that's going to create some really hot weather through especially Thursday. Then once we get that cold front coming through, it's going to be much nicer on Friday. It's going to be mostly dry this week. Small chance of a shower or thunderstorm on Tuesday and again on Thursday as that cold front moves by. Otherwise, we are expected to be dry. With those above normal temperatures, anyone working outside could, and especially sensitive to heat, could be vulnerable to heat stroke or heat exhaustion. So be sure to remind everyone, your friends and family, to drink plenty of water and check on those loved ones that might be more at risk.